Welcome back to Switch to Veggies for another veggie video. Today we are going to attempt to make homemade squash ravioli from scratch.
This might serve as a great substitute for the main dish for your Thanksgiving dinner. So let's get cooking. To get started, put your flour in a mound on a table and make a well in the center. And then we're going to place our eggs inside, along with our half teaspoon of salt. With the fork, we're going to slowly incorporate the flour into the egg mix. Now we're going to knead the bread, and you do that by pushing down and out and flipping. Down and out. We're using a whole wheat flour today just to add a little bit more nutrition to our recipe, but you can use any kind of flour that you see fit. Once the dough is all kneaded, we're going to cut it up into 3 equal sections and roll them into balls. After about 15 minutes, we're going to start rolling the dough. Once you're done rolling the dough out, we can take a cookie cutter and cut out our ravioli shapes. Or if you have a ravioli plaque, you can place that on top of there, but for those of us that don't have it, we can use a cookie cutter.
So for the filling of the ravioli, we have butternut squash. We scooped out the seeds and we cut it in half. We preheated the oven to 350. Now we're going to bake the squash for 45 minutes until it's soft on the inside and can be easily pierced with a fork. We're going to put it down flesh side first on the baking sheet. Now we're just going to scoop out the flesh of the butternut squash and put it in the frying pan. After cooking for 10 minutes on medium, the squash is ready to be added into the bowl that we're going to stir up with 1 diced pear, 1/4 cup Parmesan cheese, and 1/4 teaspoon chili powder.
Once everything's all mixed together, you're gonna start stuffing the raviolis. Just take a little bit of our mix, place it on your ravioli. You don't want to put too much so that you overstuff it. Place a little bit of water on the edges of the ravioli. Then put one on top and push it together. So to finish up our meal, we're just gonna make our sauce, which is gonna consist of 4 tablespoons melted butter, and then we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of chopped up rosemary. And then we just have to put in our ravioli into some boiling water for about 5 minutes.
After 5 minutes of boiling, we served it over our sauce, and it's ready to eat.
Enjoy!